Okay, welcome to my stream. Well, today I'm gonna try to. This is kind of awkward. It's my first time, but we're gonna try to stream a project that I'm trying to work on right now, which is basically we're trying to recreate um Instagram filters. So, like for example. Give me a second. Oh, the streaming stuff is crazy. Hold up. It's supposed to be looking at a browser. Give me a second. See, we could see that. Gosh darn it. Okay. There you go. There you go. Okay. So we're trying to recreate Instagram filters. And we're doing this. I don't know what language I want to use, but I started on a little C++ project. And right now, let me see. So Instagram filters. So you guys can see what I'm trying to recreate. Okay, if you see those right there, we're gonna try to create the black and white one. Pretty sure this is quite small, but that's what I want to do first, and then go around and try to create the more complex ones. I'm gonna start off with just images and then hopefully move on to video, trying to do it with live video. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a tough one. I tried doing it, as I said before. Let me transition to the console window. I mean, not console window, the IDE. So I try to use I started on a project and I started looking at bitmaps, and this is what I got. I don't know how I'm gonna even work with that. And then there's also I looked at data files for images as well, and .ppm files as well. So the .ppm files look like it's gonna be the easiest one to transition into the filters that I want. That's what I'm. Look at this. Okay, the 255s are like white, and then the 143 is blue. I'll show you guys the images, right? The image that I'm trying to change into black and white real quickly. It's gonna be a simple image. Let me find the image real quickly. See if I could sort it up here. I gotta find the image, but yeah, that's basically the goal. Hopefully I could do it. I don't think I'm gonna be able to you see, I think it's this one. Ooh, I touched the mic, so that's probably tough right there. Give it a second, it's loading it. But yeah, it looks like if we're using a .ppm file, we're just gonna have to convert the 255s, the number 255, into zeros, and then the blue I'm gonna just wait until it shows up. Right now it went blank, so I'm gonna switch back to the Opera image so you guys have something to look at. Damn, Opera's tripping right now. Jeez, I could have used Google Chrome, but we might as well. We're gonna have to switch to Google Chrome because this is ridiculous. I could see it on my side though. Give it a second. There you go. God, I gotta reload the image every time, but that's a goal. I don't think it's supposed to be. It's gonna be that crazy. But this is just something to add on a portfolio, honestly. Scam filter. Let's look at the black and white one. See what. Well, it's just gonna show us black and white images, but. Yeah, something like this, that would be super cool. I really hope I could create something like that. But we're just gonna, right now, we're just gonna do some research. I'm gonna look, filters, C++, because right now that's what I'm gonna use, but I could switch to Python or C#, which are just some of the languages that I know. Let me see if anybody created anything like that. Cosmetics, for digital signal processing, that's not what we need. Filter elements. Okay. Yeah, we just click filter. Image filter. We could have used OpenCV to do this, but I want to do something from scratch. You know what I mean? I really want to do something from scratch. Oh, this looks crazy. He looks like he's using a bitmap, which is basically what I showed you guys previously. The image is still not responding. Okay. So yeah, bitmap. That's what he looks like he's using, but I don't even know how to process that, honestly. I don't know how I would look at that. Yeah, it looks like he's just looking at bitmaps. In order to do this, yeah, this stream's gonna be kind of boring, but because this is just basically we're gonna do research for like about like 30 minutes to an hour. That's basically what programming is, honestly. Research and just implementing the code is like 20% of the work. Various effects. I really was gonna try the .ppm file because it looks like it would be the simplest one to use. Let me see how he did it. Matrix, get Gaussian, got the height, width, sigma. I'm just trying to figure out how would he convert that into like a JPEG file or something like that. Because if it was a if it was a bitmap file, when you try to open in the window, you would have to use like something like GIMP in order to open it. And even GIMP wouldn't know what to do with the file. So you would have to convert it and then open it as an image. Matrix kernel. Okay. What is kernel? See, I'm looking at this line right now. Sigma. What is Sigma? I gotta look at, is this, nah, I gotta look at his main file real quick. Cause right now I'm super confused. And he doesn't have any comments, so I don't even know what he's doing, so, dang. Where's his main file? Okay. Matrix filter get Gaussian. 5.5 10.0. Loading image. So that's when he calls he loads the image, applying filter, new image. So what is load image? Oh, okay, that's one of his, should be one of his functions. Yep, it is. It looks like could C++ already PNG dot image. It might already have something like that. What is this? PNG ++ / PNG header file. Oh Lord, this is about to be a toughie. Hopefully you guys can hear me pretty well, and that I'm loud in the music I'm playing currently. But let me see. I gotta be more specific. Filters using image filters. Use image manipulation. Python already has something like that. Let's see what Python looks like, because if we could see what Python is doing with it, we could probably try to implement the same thing with C++, even though Python is more libraries, but, well, not more libraries per se, but okay, let me see. Image manipulation. Pillow. You see, they have so many freaking libraries for Python. There's TensorFlow, OpenCV could be used with Python. What else? Matplot library, Pygame. They got everything, honestly. Yeah. Even if you want to do something like with GUI, you could use tk-alter. I think that's the name of it. I'm going on a tangent. But let me see. We don't want to really manipulate. I mean, technically we're manipulating the image to apply a filter on it. Yeah, we're gonna have to be .ppm files, image. Oh, it's a thing for C++. Okay, if that's something that pops up, then maybe we could use that. Trying to read and write from a ppm image file. I know. Let me see. Input stream. Yeah, this doesn't really help me at all, honestly. Doesn't help at all. Not even a little bit. Um, hmm. Does anybody have any ideas? Cause I am blank right now. Totally blank. I do not know. I mean, how am I gonna start this? Okay. Bitmap slash write a ppm file. We could check that. Okay, using data storage type defined on this page. Binary P6. Let me see what they got. C#. What else they got? I mean, Python, Ruby. Okay, Visual Basic. Okay, so they could do it in almost any language besides C++. I don't understand. I'm guessing C++ is a little bit too complex to use it with. That's the only way I would. Let me see how did they do it with C#. Right line P6 for int bitmap. Oh wow. Okay, this is the class that they created. Okay. System line. Got the file. Okay. They're not really explaining what they're doing though. That's the thing. That's what I'm confused about. Oh yeah, he has comments, so I should be able to read it. I just noticed that. Let me go back to the C# one. I'm gonna go back to the top and just click on the link to the C# one. Okay. Users use a stream writer to write the text part of the encoder. Switch to a binary writer to write the data. Boy, that sounds complex, but I'm pretty sure it's not all that complex. But what's the output file look like though? After he's done doing all that. Cause I could do that. I already done that. I actually hold up. I know I already read my file. I could do that. That's simple. But the way I read it was into characters instead of strings. I was trying to read it into string, but I didn't get around to doing that. Even though a character is like, I mean, a string is characters, you know what I mean? But, you know, give me a second. I think I already read it like that, but mine's look a little bit different. That I could do. I could read the file. That's not a problem. It's that I want to. How would I convert that? Anyways, let me see. Let's convert ppm file. Oh no, I got a feeling it's gonna be crazy. To APK, what is that? Convert ppm. Oh lord. What are ppm files? I already searched this up, but I already forgot. So, there you go. Wikipedia is your best friend for like real quick studying. This ain't even what we talking about. Parts per notation. Of course that's okay. ppm files. And it looks like it's okay, never mind. I was gonna say something stupid. Graphic. The NetPBM format is any graphic format used and defined by the NetPBM project. The portable PixMap format. So that's what we're using right now. The portable PixMap format. Okay. And there's also the portable bitmap format, PBM, and portable gray map format, PGM. Okay. Our image file format designed to be easily exchanged between platforms. They're also sometimes referred to as collectively as the portable AnyMap format, not to be confused with the portable arbitrary map format. Oh my gosh, this sounds like super complex. Monochrome bitmaps to be transmitted within an email message as plain. Okay. So, format that allowed monochrome bitmaps to be transmitted within in an email message as plain ACI text, allowing it to survive any changing in text format. Released in 1988. Jeez, this was far back. 1988. Okay, gotta be smart to do some crazy stuff. Okay, that's what we outputted. Give me a second. Let me show you guys what I outputted when I did this. My code doesn't have any comments at all as well, so that's gonna be kind of confusing, but I could just walk you guys through it. It's nothing crazy. Okay, let me switch to the console window. Where is it? There you go. So this is what I got when I outputted my file. As you can see, it looks not similar at all, but kind of similar in a way. We got the P3 creator as they also got. And there, when they loaded their image, let me switch back so you guys can see both. If Opera would do what I say, you know what I mean? But you know how it is. Okay, please Opera, just listen this time, please. Wait, let me make sure it listens this time. You see? Oh, yes, okay. Okay, that was on time, perfect. Hey, okay, so you got the P1, P, and all this, right? I got the same thing. Let me just pop up the console window just over this so you guys can see that. So I got the same thing, but I got P3 because I'm guessing we have the newest version of this. I don't really know. I don't know. What is, okay, never mind. We're gonna continue reading. The string P1 identifies the file format. So we got the P3 file format. So let me search up what that is. PPM format. PPM images. There you go. Google your best friend, I'm telling you. Okay. The image, the magic number is P3. What? Okay, whatever that means. Let me see. Definition, you can use the libna subroutine library to read. Yeah, I don't know C though. If we could jump over to C++ already, okay. The magic number is instead of P6. Okay, so it just, what? It doesn't really tell me what P3 is. What is the difference between P3 and P4 or P6 in that case? Hopefully this tells me. Oh, P2 right there. Let's see if we see P3. P3, okay. P6 binary format of the same represents each color component of each pixel with 1 byte. Okay, 1 byte in the order red, green, then blue. So this is basically what it is. Obviously, that's what all images are made out of. That's obvious. But let me show you the image I'm just trying to load up, which is what I was originally trying to show you guys. Give it a second. Oh, nope, it's not loading. Oh yeah, okay, that was a stupid thing that I did before. That wasn't it. Is this it? Well, that's really small though. Jeez, why is it so small? It is a pretty small image. I didn't want a super humongous image now. Okay. hopefully I can capture this. It's not gonna be a complex picture. We gotta be able to do the simple stuff before we can jump into the crazy stuff. But let me just pull up this image that I'm trying to show you guys real quick. I could just do it like that then. Add new. Give me a big second, guys. Pick one. Where did I put this? It's a super. Why does it look like that? Okay. Lord, it's gonna look bad. Let me see. Where did it put it? I can't even see it. Well, that didn't work. So let's do window capture. Okay. No, that's not it. That's not it. Why can't I find the image? There you go. That took like 100 years. Okay. Let me. Oh, this is gonna look ugly. Let me stop talking. You guys can't even see what I'm talking about. Did it transition to it though? That's the real question. Let's see. Give it 2 seconds. Come on. Oh Lord, I can't. Why can't you guys see the image? Let me see something. Let me see if this works. Okay, yeah, that shows up. Why wouldn't it show that up? Technical difficulties, I guess. Oh, I'm stupid, y'all. I'm sorry. Of course I could see it. Oh, nope, it's still not working. See, I'm opening a window photo viewer, and that's not working. What would be the best way to show you guys this image? But anywho, it's basically a rectangle that's like 100 by 100, and there's a blue dot, pure blue dot, in the center. That's basically how I would explain it. For some reason, it will not let me open this. I'm spending too much time doing this anyways. Yep, you guys can't even see it. Okay, that's fine. So you guys could just use your imagination for now. Cause, why won't it open though? Why won't it open? I'm gonna try to do it through. Let me switch back to the IDE. You guys are just looking at a browser window now for sure. So if anybody just came in, we're just basically doing research right now. We're trying to do Instagram filter. The Instagram filter we're gonna try to do is the black and white filter. I gotta pull that up again. Wait, I'm gonna try it. I'm just gonna type in Instagram filter. There you go. That should be the same thing. It's just backwards. Should pop up the same results though. The black and white one would be none of these ones. Where was the last image I was looking at? Let me see if you guys can see this though. Okay, yeah, you guys can. Where's the black and white filter? The moon filter? Is it called the moon filter? Well, the moon filter. That's what we're trying to recreate. Or just basically the black and white filter. Switching the colors from black to white. Inverting the colors. That's what I mean. What am I talking about? But that's what we're trying to do. I wish I could find a better image. Something like this. The image is not going to be that complex at first. It is called the moon filter. So yeah, we're going to just do the moon filter then. Or is it called the will filter? I don't know. I don't know. I don't even be using Instagram filters like that anyways. So that's what we're going to try to do. We're going to work with a white image with a blue dot on it. That's the first image that I want to try to convert. And we're using the .ppm files with C++ for now in order to convert it. If you just came, that's basically what I'm trying to do right now. But yeah, right now I'm trying to show you guys the image. For some reason, it will not pull up. It's not pulling it up at all. I'm gonna try to do it through Visual Studios. See if I could do it through that. But that might not even work. So, cause it's not in the folder that please open up, please. Cause I know Visual Studios can open images. Okay, basically this is what it looks like. Oh wow, that looks basically what I'm. Okay, it's a .png file, by the way. Can you guys see this? Let me see. Cause I did change something on it. Yep, you guys can. Okay, so that's basically what I'm trying to convert. White dots, black dots, blue squares, not dots, white squares to black, this into white or gray. Okay, there you go. And this is what I have so far for the code. I didn't do much. So we are opening the image, which is a .ppm file, which is also in the source file folder, and strings. We're opening it right here, and then we're reading in the values, and I just in the console window is the values. So now we're all on the same page. Let's get back to the research part. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, I'm getting the hang of this. Okay. I'm trying to do this until like. Hold up. Okay. So we got a P3. So there you go. P3. 0 to 25. That's the colors. Oh, okay. Wait. P1. It's a portable bitmap. PBM. It's only in zeros and ones, but that's already black and white. That's not very crazy. And then we got portable gray map, 0 to 25. I mean, this one, the one that we're using is RGB, and that's why it's P3. Oh, okay. So P2 is a gray map, and P1 is a bitmap. We getting it. Okay. Damn. I need to stop being stupid. So PGM. I'm thinking ahead though. How are we gonna convert this? That's cool. Hold up, because this is an F right here, right? You can see it 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and it creates an F. That creates an E. Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy. That just blew my mind right there. That's dope. Okay. What? So that's basically what it looks like. Huh. Wow. And it does this, what is 3? This would be like a grayish black, which is the F, and then it gradually goes up from there. And I'm pretty sure this is not total white, because 255 is bright white. So I mean, it seems pretty simple. That's all I needed. But how do you get the image though? The PGM and .ppm formats have additional parameters for maximum values. Numbers of grays between black and white after X and Y summon. So this is I can't think of the word. The length and the width of the image. Well, the width and the length of the image. 15, I'm not sure what it means. And then this is basically the values of the individual pixels. So 6 by 10. I don't know what 15 means though. And this says 255. I can't really, I don't know. But we're gonna try to see if we can do a little bit of manipulation on our image. But I might need this one. What is a .ppm file? 5 inches, one of the, we already read that. It's a bitmap image file type that has the lowest common denominator color image file format. The portable PixMap format is very easy to process, write, and analyze. Oh, thank you. I mean, this should be a basic project. I'm not trying to make this a 30-year project. All that. Follow a certain format in every aspect. These files are considered each efficient for the purpose that ppm are commonly utilized as intermediary format. There are alternative known as ppm files, in which case you have to be totally specific. You must be able to represent the variation distinctly in actual ppm. PPM file consists of sequence of one or more PPM images. There are no information markers or buffer before and after. Okay, so PPM file should be pretty easy to do this with. I tried to read a JPEG file, and that was just gibberish. I had no idea what to do with that. I really didn't, because it's encrypted, so it's like I had to look up. Yeah, I didn't want to do all that. That was craziness. Total craziness. Okay, let me read this real quick. Alright, types of format image PPM standard for. I already know these. These are files are extremely inefficient and highly redundant. I'm dead. Okay, but it's easy to write and analyze programs to parse these format and introduce you to image file creation. Okay, maybe one day we'll be able to do some crazy stuff. Image consists of rectangular arrays of discrete picture elements called pixels. An image consists of 200 rows by 300 columns containing 60,000. Yeah, okay. Multiplication. We can use two types of image: grayscale images, black and white photography. Each pixel consists of 1 byte, which should be represented as an unsigned character. A value of 0 is solid black. Value of 255 is bright white. Okay, in betweens are gray values of very brightness. Color images correspond to color photograph. Each pixel consists of 3 bytes, with each byte represented by unsigned character. Oh, okay, that's why I can only read it as a character. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be a toughie. Okay, I'm trying to think of a way to solve this problem, and this music in the background, it's making it a little bit harder to think. Let's look at like one more. I just seen Little Noodle said hi. What's up, man? Glad you could make it. But if you have any ideas, just chime in the chat, because I'm kind of lost, a lot lost. So he's from convenient. Okay, we're just gonna start coding, cause it's been what? Wait, has it even been an hour since I've been streaming? I don't believe it has been, but it probably has. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna start programming, cause I'm kind of bored. So I'm gonna keep up. Let me see. I'm gonna switch back to the ID, and remember, I low-key don't know what I'm doing with this, but it's just a really good learning experience. So let me try to open the .ppm file to see what it looks like. Okay, so here, based on what they said, this is the length and the width of the image. These are the colors, and this is the blue pixel right here. And it should be 10 by 10, should be like around 100. That should be 100. What am I talking about? So it should be 100. And we use GIMP in order to do this. So that's why I say creator GIMP PNM filter version 1.1. Okay, so I don't even know how I'm gonna output this. So this is what we got so far. What is this? Oh yeah, I tried to use a 2-dimensional vector in order to try to do it. Oh lord, that was gonna be crazy. Okay, so this is what we got so far. We gotta format this though. We're using a character. Let's see if we can do this with a string. Give me a second. Where are we? Image, data values. We could get line to read it. So yeah. Does get line work with characters? Shoot. Oop, we're gonna find out. Whoop-de whoop, bang bang. Okay. Get line is undefined. Oh. Whoa. Okay, I think we need. How was I using the string without using the string header? What? Okay. Maybe that's why it didn't work. I'm a genius, I'm telling you. Okay, no instance of overload. Let's change data values to string and see if that works. Please work. Please. Oh, yes. Pushback data values. What is image data though? Image data. Oh, it's a character. Oh, yes. 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 Okay. No, I put it back to character. We might have it. That might be the wave, y'all. That might be the wave. What? Okay. The wave is the wave for real. Okay. Let's see. Cross our fingers that this works. I could have. Let me see. Come on, come on. Yep, I think I blew up. I blew it up. I totally just broke Visual Studios. That's crazy. Ooh, this song is kind of boring. What am I doing? Okay, there you go. Yes. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Alright, let's see. Let's create an end line. So we're getting the whole line. Yes, I'm telling you, bro. Bro, I do this. I do this. Y'all just don't know, no. Y'all just don't know. What visual? Just like the image, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. Wait, hold up. Let me pull it up. Oh, there you go. Just like it. It's like identical twins right here. Okay. 255, 255. Where did it not? Or did it even output the? Why didn't it output all the data? It's missing. Did you guys see that before? It's missing this part. And P3 as well. So let me see. Where are we starting from? 0. The length of it. Length of the vector. Wait, image data. What's it? Okay, yeah, the length of the vector. Yeah, it should have output everything. Let me see something right quick. We're gonna go into debug mode. Visual Studios. This is really helpful. I love this feature of Visual Studios where you can step through the program and see what it's looking at. Oh, it's so crazy. It's dope. It's like, okay, so this is what, let me take out the window so you guys can see it, console window, so you guys can see what's going on. So this is what it's looking at this point in the program. So this is what's in the image, and data value is currently empty, capacity is 47. The image length, so we're about to find the length of the image, or the length of the vector, which is 304 strings. So we got that. And what is x and y? X equals true, y equals 0. What does that even mean? I don't even know. Did we create any variables? Yeah, we did create variables called x and y. What do they represent? I don't even remember why I created them. Why did I create them? But anywho, we're gonna have to delete those because that's not even doing much. So see out. What did it output? P3. Wait, hold up. Oh, hold up. I think I did. Let me show you guys the console window real quickly. So you guys can see it. So the console window does see the P3 and it outputs the P3, but I think after getting through 304 strings, it kind of deletes the other values. So we're just gonna click out of this for now and see. Let's get out of this, click that out. And do it this time again. Yep, we didn't scroll up. Wait, we did scroll up. Well, we have 304, so 304. So yeah, that's not gonna show everything, and that's perfectly fine. We're gonna create a class that reads through the image and looks for 255, and then creates another .ppm file, which then, what are we trying to do? Take the vector, pass it to a function. Function then looks through the vector and looks for 255, and if it's 255, we're gonna change it to 0, and then we're gonna see what that image looks like. Hopefully we get it. Okay, so we have to do two things. What is that gonna, okay, vector's a string, so, well, we don't, it could be void because it's not returning. We can, it doesn't have to return anything. Void, convert, and we want to pass a vector string and integer, which is the size or the length of the vector. Oh, that's our function prototype right there. Yep. Yeah, that's obvious. So let me see. I might have to do a series on just teaching C++, because if you didn't take C++, you won't even know what's going on. So there's that. It is what it is. I might do that later on though. But let's see if we could finish this. So convert. That's a string. No, it's a void function. So what did we call it here? Length of, we're gonna call it vect length. I mean, I guess that's an appropriate name for it. Got, there you go. And, it's not an array. We're gonna call it image data, there you go. And gotta do all the tedious stuff as well. There you go. That's pretty simple. I didn't know it was gonna be that easy. Okay, we're gonna have to eventually create a file that outputs all the values. We could create it in the void function. Alright, I'm gonna do that. We're gonna do that. First, this function in here. This, we're gonna comment this out for now, because I think we're gonna need it again. Oh, I just noticed how low my mic is. I'm gonna have to fix that next stream. But let's just finish what we're doing right now. Go back to Visual Studios. Okay. Oh yeah, call the function convert, and then we're passing length, and oh, we just named it the same thing. We're gonna image D. That's much better. That's much better. There you go. Okay, now we call it function. Okay, we're gonna have to do call off stream. Ooh, this about to look fresh. I could already tell. Got me excited for a second. Image output. Oh yeah, we're gonna delete these two things. I don't think we need it. Off stream. Image, and then we're gonna open. Wait, did we close this image? No, we did not. Close. Boy, we need to stop doing stupid stuff. Okay. Image output. We're gonna call this gonna have to be pick out .ppm. Oh, we're gonna have to copy what's on line 1, line 2, because it needs to know which one is the, and then we're gonna do that. Okay, wow. Okay. We could create another vector and do it like that, or we can convert the current image. Well, we're not converting the current image, we're changing the current vector. Okay. Equals 0, index less less than vector length index plus plus. That's simple. That was cake. If image D index equals, because it's a string right now, so I have to put it in the brackets. 255. Oh. D equals 0. Index equals 0. Let me make sure. Yep. Okay. Now let's output this, and we could just output it using this right here. Copy. I really don't want to write that again. Change that to vecling and change that to image D. Oh, dead. And then let's see what it does, guys. Look at this. Look at this beautifulness. Oh, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 143. What? Okay. Let's see. What now? We need to output it to this file. I do not remember how to do that. So oh, okay, so it's pretty easy. So we gotta remember to output the first line, which is P3. What's on the first line? Give me a second. So P3 is on the first line, that's on the second line, and that's on the third line. So we gotta output the first line, the second line, the third line, and then everything we just changed. Okay, let's see if that works. Didn't create anything there. Now you could just do it through this. What am I doing? Oh, image output. Image D. We could start this 0, 1, 2. So we should start at 3. End line. Yeah, we're probably, hopefully the end line does something. Well, it's gonna do something. What am I talking about? Paste that. 0. We're gonna have to copy this. This is gonna be sloppy, but oh, we forgot to close it. Okay, now let's see what has happened. So we're done. Now let's look and let me find this folder. Did everything. Now I gotta convert it or open it with something. What am I gonna use? This is gonna be a real big step. Opera won't open. I just wanted to show you guys something though. We gotta convert the image now. I'm gonna have to create to get a new browser after this because this is ridiculous. Okay, I'm just gonna convert it off screen using an online converter for now, and maybe next time we'll create our own. But yeah, yep. Give me a second. ppm to png. There you go. We're gonna have to do this one day. Now let's find this ppm file. I know you guys can't see any of this, but it's converting right now, so I think I didn't do it right because it's not converting it. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Opera is not the browser, dog. It's just not. It's not popping. And these websites look super catchy. ppm to png. Thank you. Now how do I download the image? Ugh, what's y'all doing right now? What are they doing right now? I don't. What? Ready? Oh, wow. Error convert, no image defined. I'm dead. Okay. Oh snap, so we did something wrong. Give me a second. Yep, our ppm file is not converting, so either it doesn't recognize it as a ppm file or it's an error on their part. Let's look at the previous ppm file we had. 1.1, we have that. Let me see if y'all could see that. By 10, we have that 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. What are these two zeros? Maybe that's the thing that's I'm messing up right now. But we have everything else. So we're gonna have to switch those zeros to 255 first. Let's do that real quick. Really quickly. Wait, what is this? Wrong one. Wrong loop. So we're gonna look. This is gonna go first. So it's gonna look at it first before it even converts anything. Okay. 0. Then we're gonna convert that to 255, I guess. I don't know. Okay. Logically, I would think it would be that, you know what I mean? But or do they need to be values? That might be a thing as well. Maybe it knows that it's a string. Shoot. We messed up. We were supposed to use an else if there. I mean, either way, it shouldn't affect it much. Let me. What just happened? Okay. This looks ridiculous. What? Okay. So now we got it. We're gonna try to convert it again. For some reason Opera doesn't want to load up anything for y'all. Let me try again. So you guys could see something. At least something. Oh, this song is annoying. Okay, there you go. Nope. Nothing is happening. Oh, there you go. Oh, finally. So this is what I'm trying to convert it to. The image is called pick out. So we're gonna try to find it again. See if it works then. PDF. Oh great. I can't even see what it's trying to tell me. What? Nope. Convert no image defined. Oh. Yeah, that's not working. Go back and find another thing to see if. Gotta be a online one that works. Come on, man. Failed conversion could not be performed. JPEG. Yep, we're doing something wrong. Doing something wrong. Most definitely. Convert. That can be converted. Let's see if it can convert our original file. If it can convert that. Hold up. So we're dragging on dropping our original file. Nope, it couldn't convert that either. So what's the point of using these? Do they even work? It's a real question. This one's just weird. I don't trust this website at all. Did it convert this one? It can convert this one. Yes, it did. Okay, so let's see if it can convert our file. Either that or we're doing something wrong. It converted it. Let's download and see what's going on. What's going on? What's going on? Okay. Whoa, this is super exciting, y'all. Oh my gosh. Download complete. Oh Lord. I'm gonna try to open it in Visual Studios and see what happened. Gotta find the image first though. Pick out .pmg. You guys ain't even hear any of that. So the problem I think it was these two files, because it did output it in full black, so it knows it saw the value change. And I don't even know if I trust that website I just downloaded from and then open it in the Visual Studio. That was dumb of me, because that did not look like a trustworthy website at all. Okay, so hopefully my PC's okay. And yeah, so next week, yeah, I'll do this next week. We could finally finish converting. We're gonna have to convert those back to zeros and see if that makes it blue again, because we didn't change the blue, we only changed the black. So we're gonna do that, and after that we're gonna try to test it on some more complex images, and also try to create a JPEG or PNG converter on our own, because I do not trust these online ones. So we're gonna do that, and hopefully you guys like this stream, and yeah.